I'm watching TikTok videos all day long. It's just like this. Now, I'm gonna show you how you can make money through becoming a TikTok editor. Now, what is a TikTok editor? So you might not know this, but here's the deal. A lot of people use TikTok to promote brands and their business and their products. Now, those people are not just random dancers, okay? They're actually trying to make money. And we all know how much money I love, okay? Now, I know you love money too, so go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. So, back to the story. So, knowing that, you can actually go ahead and make money as a TikTok editor. Who would have thought that, that you'd grow up to become a TikTok editor? Sounds about right. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video, okay? So let's move on. So we all know what a TikTok editor is, and before somebody says, oh, how can you make money through TikTok? Here's the thing. Like I said, there are people who are promoting brands, products and sales, things like that. They need somebody to edit their TikTok. Nobody's sitting on their phone, there's no CEO sitting on her, editing videos. They need somebody to do that for them. And you can be that girl or that guy. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, now, so first step is get a TikTok account, get the feel for, how to use the app and learn all the ins and out. I'm sure you can master that in an hour. You can do it. Now, once you go ahead and do that, I need you to do a couple of things, okay? I need you to download iMovie. Now, iMovie is a software for your Mac and your Windows that you can, both, right?
I think Windows has Windows Movie Maker.
So Windows, if you have Windows computer, you have Windows Movie Maker. If you have Mac, you have iMovie. So go ahead and download those apps on your computer. Learn how to make some videos. So what I want you to do is create a couple of TikToks for yourself and edit them out and make them look good. That's going to be your example videos to show your clients because you need something, right? So go ahead and create a couple of those videos. Make them creative. Do whatever you want, okay? Make it creative to show that, hey, I can edit the video. Keep that in mind, okay? Last but not least, if you do want to take the lazy way out, you can also download these other apps called TikTok editors. You can search it on your app store and you'll find it, okay? So once you do download those, you can use those to, make them nicer if you want to. But here's the thing. If you learn how to use iMovie and Windows Movie Maker, I'm telling you, you will make more money because those softwares are a little better and you can do more professional work with those softwares. Keep that in mind, okay? Keep that in mind. Love those flowers in the background, right? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. If you want to learn how to make money every couple of days, I post videos a couple times a week and I show you guys how to make money. So you don't want to miss it, okay? So moving on. So you know what it is, you know what to download. Now, next up, where do you find customers? Now, I'm going to show you how to find customers for free. So, number one, get on TikTok, okay, and find people who are verified, okay? Those people usually, and see what they're doing. So, if they're promoting a brand and things like that, contact them. That's one. Number two is get on a website called Upwork. Upwork, okay? Now, once you make a free account on Upwork, watch it, okay? So you need to go to Upwork, create a free account. They're going to ask you to verify who you are because you got to make sure that you're not a random stranger, right? They're going to get your ID. It's a legit site. Don't worry. I use this site pretty much every single day to, hire people, find, projects. So this is a safe site. So go to Upwork.com and, once you click here, find jobs and search for TikTok. Watch it right now. So they are looking for a TikTok editor. Guys, this is not a dream. You can become a TikTok editor and you can be cashing all that money in through, editing videos on TikTok. Who'd have thought about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it deserves a buzzer, right? So keep that in mind. So go to Upwork.com. You can also go to Freelancer.com. So what are these sites? So these sites are what we call freelancer, job sites. So you don't have to actually show up at the office. You go here, create a free account, and then say, hey, I want to, edit your videos. They'll say, show some work. Remember at step number 1, I told you to make some videos on TikTok and edit them. They don't have to get views, right? Just make them nice enough to show that, hey, I can edit TikTok videos. And once you do that, you are done. Now, how much can you charge? A lot of money. So keep in mind to start off with like, $25 an hour. That's a really good place to start if you're starting new. Now, as you have more experience, more clients, you'll realize that you might want to charge more money. So in that case, you can go to $50, $100. Sometimes you'll do a fixed project. For example, we had a brand deal and we did a TikTok editing, and I think we paid him $1,000, and the videos was like 40 seconds. $1,000. He made him look good. But keep in mind, he was not using like TikTok editor, the TikTok app. He was using iMovie to edit his our TikTok videos. So keep that in mind. So go ahead and do it. So with that being said, make sure if you want to stay updated with new making money ideas, make sure to subscribe right now and comment below if you have any questions, and I'll answer them to you, personally. Now, one more thing, you gotta try it, okay? And try it, come back and report how it is. I would love to see all the results. Thank you so much.